Let's now cover the insert list method. This inserts an item at a specific index. So append added an item to the end. Extend added many items to the end. Now say we want to add an item somewhere else, not just the end. The way to do that is with the insert method. Let's go ahead and recreate our list. So we're going to just make it this shorter list now. And so let's go ahead and call this insert method. I'm going to press Shift Tab Tab to reveal the documentation. It says we need to give it the index and then the object. So again, the index is just the location. So 0 would be over here, that first location, then 1, 2, and so forth. So let's go ahead and put at location 4. We can put a string over here. The Astros are my favorite team. So at index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here, it'll bump this over to the right, and it'll put this string, which is one object, right there. Let's go ahead and Shift Enter, execute. And again, nothing is returned. That's because it has mutated the list in place. So now if I look at a list, I can see, well, there is my new item that I inserted into the list. Let's do one more insert. So alist.insert. And let's just put this at the very beginning. So at 0, location 0, I want to put -999. We'll execute that. And now I can check where if it's inserted it in the proper place, and it has. Okay, so that's how you use the insert list method.